A busy week ahead. Let's check in now with Dan Demin of KKM Financial. Dan, the Fed meets this week and big tech earnings will be coming from Apple and Facebook. A lot to watch.
We do, Angie. The Fed meeting, I think, is going to be very critical, especially the message that they deliver. The market's watching that closely. But we also have the stimulus measure that's working its way through Congress right now. That's going to be another big event this week, I think, Angie. Earnings, also the U.S.-China relations as well, and certainly the overriding theme continues to be the COVID-19 storyline as well.
What is the market action telling you? What are you seeing?
Rotation and some interesting dynamics, as I think this is going to be a very critical week for the market, last week in July for trading, but also the rotation that we are seeing, Angie, continues. We're seeing some of these tech names finally coming off their lofty perch, and we're seeing some of the names, the value names, catching a bid here. So that's another dynamic within the market structure that I'm watching very closely this week, because we are, at least for the time being, appear to be seeing this type of rotation taking place, so that a lot of market participants refer to it as mean reversion.
That is an interesting trader concept. Explain what you mean by the reversion of the mean.
So basically, historically, stocks have a tendency to trend back towards the mean over a long period of time. And so the idea is that some of these tech names have gotten a little bit outside of the standard return for the markets, which I certainly can say that seems to be the case. But a lot of market participants were waiting for this to happen even a year ago or 2 years ago. I mean, tech has been leading the market higher for quite some time now. So it's a dynamic that a lot of market participants watch closely, Angie. Certainly over a long period of time, history shows that stocks have a tendency to revert back towards the mean.
A good lesson there to know that stock prices tend to revert back to the average prices. Thank you, Dan, and have a good week.
All right, thanks for having me.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.